me when I get back. I'm in LA, Rodeo Drive. I'm in New York, Madison Ave. I'm a Barbie.
Alright, y'all, so I'm on the way to my Uber now. And I'm so blown because the fucking elevator in my building is not working. And so now I'm taking 4 flights of stairs. So, but I'm gonna catch y'all up when I get to my lunch appointment.
Paying to make a mid stop. No, that makes sense. Oh.
Whenever I go home and get ready and shit.
I was always gonna shoot for one of them like Atlantic Station, what's the names?
Hey y'all, so I'm back home. It is now 7:46 and I just finished doing my makeup and stuff like that. I've been getting ready to go out. Yeah, but now I'm just trying to hurry up and get ready. Well, I'm pretty much ready now, but I just trying to like finish up stuff before she get here. Alright, y'all, so this is the final look. It's really giving right now, I'm not gonna lie. I was gonna do my edges, but I'm just leaving because it's giving like a fluffy edges look, and I like that. So we're just gonna leave them. But yeah, this is what it's giving, and it's eating bitch. So I'm gonna go out for some drinks, and I'm gonna catch y'all later.
It's to the point where it's not even harmful anymore. It's tragic.
Would that give you a different perception about the police? It's not that I don't see it good, it's that it just doesn't happen.
I'm tiny because I'm still not touching my phone. That's what I said. Oh shit, look at it. I'm on my tippy toe. Alright, so I'm ready and dressed. We about to, huh? No. We about to go to brunch.
Yeah, you see, we outside, we in Puerto Rico. You know, chilling, vibing. Don't care.
Nah, different shows look good. I'm finna smash this shit. This is good. I really like how they gave a good variety over here though, Lauren. Nah, they went crazy with this little platter.
Alright y'all, so we're back at the Airbnb after brunch, and now we're about to go do jet skis at the beach. So this is how the fit is looking. Super cute. Super cute.
He's a bad boy. He's a bad boy. Somebody different.
Damn.
The sun, why am I looking?
Because the creators lab?
Yeah, like they be throwing shit in there and then put it in this place. But it like
Oh, with the dog and them fucking pigeons. Creepy ass little birds.
What movie was that?
Oh, with the fast ass
Oh
dog.
yeah.
And they was in that fucking movie.
And the pigeons, they was like robots or some
Yeah,
shit.
that's what I'm saying.
Exactly.
Creepy ass shit. Like, look at you. It's creepy. Beady ass eyes. No. No, they wasn't fucking bullshit. They closing up shop. How they gonna get their Disney back?
That's right. Yeah, I'm gonna take one. We could lucky just take these with us for actually. Well, I pour one. That ice maker work? Yeah. I'll taste one with the ice first.
Smell good. I do want to taste something on the rocks though.
You doing the Twinkies? Bro, Twinkies on the rocks is crazy.
What?
Oh, no, I was like, what you say smell good?
The fucking the drink, bro.
There's this and shit. The fuck? What? I need that change and shit.
Oh yeah, I mean, yeah.
Alright. We got on a fucking tee and shorts.
Listen, I'm trying to take some pictures.
Exactly. Oh, see, yeah, I look cute.
You do.
Nigga, y'all look like y'all looking for a man.
Shut up.
Where y'all finna go?
With my man. I literally told her, I said, that should be the story you tell our kids. I literally said that.
Nigga said for years. Not letting
This is right here.
What you got on, friend?
Go ahead.
Alright, we got chains right here. Two on my chain.
Okay, yeah, those
Control G control.
are-
Let them know. We got. Damn, what's this nigga? Rico G it is. Yeah, Rico.
Okay.
On the shorts.
Shawty go Rico on the shorts.
Thrifted this shirt.
Shawty go thrifted on the shirt.
Shirt hard.
Shawty go Nike on the socks. New Balance.
New Balance.
With the news on, with the newbies, yo.
Okay.
Shawty say he go Nan on the chain.
Nail on the chain.
He go Nan on the shirt.
Nail on the shirt.
Shout out to Mari. I go Diesel on the wrist.
Diesel on the
See what I'm
wrist.
saying? These is from Aesthetic on the shorts.
Okay. And then.
You know, Ricky Bobby.
Ricky!
You know what I'm saying? Ricky
Yeah.
Morty, this is what I do, man.
For sure.
Homegrown. The locks is homegrown.
Homegrown,
period.
yeah.
The necklace, I got this from the Pride Festival in Atlanta.
Okay.
This other one, other one from Target.
Shout out to Pride and them.
My rings is from the Crystal Shop, and then this
Okay.
one is thrifted. These are from Amazon. This
Okay.
fit is from Amazon, head to toe.
Ooh.
And then this, I made this.
Don't play with her.
What an exhale. I literally said, nigga, do not back the fuck up. Man, right, if they would have exhaled the smoke by your ear.
The disrespect.
Niggas would have been getting me out of Puerto Rico jail. And I was living like, damn, these niggas a little bit too close.
This shit look over.
It does. That's OD and it's wide open. It looks cool.
Creepy. Oh shit.
Shit, nigga, that was creepy. Shit. What the fuck? Where the hell we walking?
I don't know.
We just walking. Okay. Burn some time.
Look, as long as we don't cut no corner.
Right. No alleyway.
Yeah, none of that. It's like a main street. Really,
niggas stay on the
if you walk this for like 15, 20 minutes, bro, it's big shit. I mean, this a thin ass sidewalk.
Hey, is it let down here?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Oh, where you all going?
We waiting on our table. We gonna be back like 15 to 20 minutes.
Where y'all waiting the table at?
You finna see a bunch of folks with
Cowboy hats
You finna see them?
and horses.
Cowboy hats.
Taco place right there.
But where y'all waiting the table at?
It's right there. You about to see it.
Hey,
It's
is
right
that real ass horses down there?
No, like the little fake ones.
Oh, okay.
You have it?
I thought she was saying like.
Y'all waiting on a table though?
Yo, come back down. Come back down.
Y'all lit, ain't y'all?
All right, yeah.
I'll be honest.
Hey, where are you guys from? We're from Atlanta.
Same.
No way.
No, we gotta
Why is it only us that's like, where's the party at? Where's the party at?
We gotta get together down here.
Hold up.
This shit's
If you guys actually got a place down here?
Yeah. We waiting right there.
We're not like what the fuck is open on a Tuesday around here.
Yeah.
That's
It's
all
a
we're trying to
15-minute
figure
wait
out.
though.
Taco place
Yeah,
right there.
yeah,
You're
yeah.
so cute. Oh God.
So let's get a drink. Let's get a drink.
We're going back to that place. All right. Hey, what was your name? Ryan.
Okay.
Yeah, we'll see y'all.
There's him, Ryan.
Alright.
Hey, it's the Atlanta fun. We get crazy.
It's just a taco.
Alright, just
big red letters. Okay.
No, but it's like 20 people with
It's gonna be on your left. Like, literally, just walk straight and you'll see it.
You cannot miss hella people outside with cowboy hats.
Alright. So, cowboy hats to the
All right.
Why do you not think so many funny people, bro?
Them niggas probably high on fucking coke.
Don't forget it. I guess I said you're a good angel.
The whole time he was talking, he did not blink once.
I'm telling you, they're
He's on the
high.
coke.
I just said that they're high on fucking coke.
He did not blink one time.
No, they're high. They're all high on fucking coke. And that's why you don't party with fucking white people, because you're not gonna make it fucking home fucking with their ass.
Close to trolling with like the Drewski link.
Nah, them from Atlanta though, that was crazy.
Paxton, dude, what the fuck, bro? Like I was gonna take
Bro!
Oh my god.
Crazy growing up, like in high school, you know, like girls was never like an issue. I always felt like, especially there was white people at my school. Bro, I used to think white people would never even look my way. Like I wouldn't have a conversation, no compliments, no conversation.
Not even a little.
Literally, like it was crazy. I don't know, like white people. I was telling him like it was on like 200. They said it was 350 for 12 hours, 400 for 24. Where's the math?
Yeah, that don't make sense.
Yeah, niggas split 400 in half. I get that bitch for 200. Yeah. Because we can ride that bitch to the motherfucking to the ATV. Now I can fight on the mall and see if they even matter.
But
And lip gloss.
pussy.
I hope it should be.
It looked like sour cream.
It's a lot of sour cream. That's what I need. But
Anyways, today we are about to go to brunch, and then afterwards we're gonna do ATV riding. Oh, so basically yesterday with the whole jet skis, I'm traumatized from jet skis because last year I had on a jet ski and y'all, I fell off. Okay, like we was basically like on the jet ski sitting there, and then like the water had started like getting on the jet ski to where it basically made the jet ski tilt over. So that made me fall off, and I don't know how to swim. I don't know about y'all, but I don't know how to fucking swim. And yes, I had on like the life jacket, whatever you want to call it, but I was panicking. And when you're panicking, it don't matter if you know how to swim or not. Like you're gonna like just be all over the place. So I was panicking, and I basically felt like my life was over with. I felt like I was about to die. So I said after that, I ain't never getting on a fucking jet ski again. Like stupid ass fucking jet ski. So yeah, but anyways, so yesterday I was like, okay, I'm gonna try it one more time. So I got on the jet ski, and honestly, after like 5 minutes, I was like, I can't do it. I'm sorry. I just think it's just because I really just have like a fear of fucking water. Like y'all, I'm so scared of water, and I'm just scared of like deep water. Like if I feel like I can't stand up right then and there, or touch my feet on the ground or whatever, I'm scared. So I couldn't do it. But it was cool while it lasted. So that was yesterday. But anyways, yeah, today we're doing ATV riding, and now that's where your girl, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, like I love me some ATV. That shit is fun. So we're doing ATV today, but before that, we're gonna go get some brunch because it's early, we hungry. So we're gonna get some brunch first, and then afterwards go straight to the ATV, and then yeah. So I'm gonna pick up the camera when we basically at the brunch spot and stuff like that. But yeah. Oh, another thing, I didn't get to take pictures last night. So if y'all see me rewear the fit again, shut the fuck up. Okay.
this fucking birthday sauce, bro. What's up to the birthday? We're in Louisiana, bro.
This shit nice.
Hola. Yep. No, it's right here. You can take.
Oh my god, I'm so
No, bro. I'm expecting him to pull over under a tree or something. I'm like, oh. He's pointing us together.
I just got out the shower. I'm finna eat some leftovers from yesterday. I had like some quesadillas and I didn't get to finish it last night. So I'm about to eat that and then we pretty much gonna chill for a little bit and then we're gonna go out later on for dinner. It's currently 6:01. We're probably not gonna go out for dinner till like maybe like 8. Yes. Damn, these niggas.
You already know. It's probably why it was closed yesterday.
Oh, they was decorating.
This is a very big moment for me.
Oh my god.
And they said burgers and they are we in heaven?
We're in fucking
Listen,
heaven.
just don't get the cheese mac and cheese burger.
Yeah, don't get that.
Burgers and fucking mayo.
Hey y'all. One more shot, I want to go nowhere.
Oh my god.
Y'all see that?
Put your hat on.
Damn, Mario, I'm not that ugly without it.
Oh, you look great.
It's an experience.
Nigga, did y'all not see that?
Can't get over. I can't mess with rappers, they be bogus. Rather get the pack and keep it open. Big dripper stand up in the ocean. Everybody trapping, we get low. He ain't 4P yet, but he ain't got motion. Made a half a ticket out promotion. Shout out sushi, sweet and keep me rolling. But if we get the out, we gotta slow. Ride around with Drake, like we LVO. I got some rats and I want some more. Still got a pass in the hood, call it give and go. Keep a nigga, man, bitch in a figure four. Let me fuck when I want, I just come and go. Man, these rats too deep for these skinny clothes. I might put me in some picture boat. They look bright, this nigga start getting low. I spent time on the racks on the Lambo and didn't even know how to beat them motherfuckers.
What's the I'm gonna look. Let's stand in the shade right here. Yeah, please.
Something right there, man.
Damn, my camera.
Mario's finna beat my ass. She was like, no, don't get that shit.
No, because he already wanted to see. I'm like, why do you need more? Where the fuck are you gonna sit?
I didn't even hear what he said. All I heard was Mario say no.
Alright, y'all. So we made it to the airport. And our flight takes off at 7:15 or 7:25, one or the other. But overall, y'all, this trip was really good. It was real cool. I had a great time, and now I'm just ready to go home. So, but yeah, hope y'all enjoyed this vlog. If y'all did, make sure y'all give it a like, and some comments, and subscribe. And I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. Okay? Bye, y'all.